Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can delete Instagram account. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if we want to delete our Instagram account, we have to go to the Instagram setting. You can go to your profile first and click on this three lines on the top right to open the Instagram setting. Okay, and here we have to open the accounts center right here and click on the personal details, this one. Okay, and you can click on account ownership and control and click on deactivation or deletion. Okay, and here I have logged into multiple accounts on my Instagram, so here I need to choose which account I want to delete, and I'm gonna go with this account. Then we just need to click on delete account and click on continue. Then you just need to follow the instruction from Instagram to delete your Instagram account. Alright guys, and that's how we can delete Instagram account. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.